let's say one data, I mean, one aspiring data professional, but that person is coming from a non-technical background, right? Doesn't have any, like, for our PGD, there was a person who was a marketing person. Okay.
Mhm.
And when I say marketing, it's like a field marketing, like banking marketing, not
Okay,
the
okay.
MBA marketing, right? So they don't have. So when we actually spoke to him, he was like, "Listen, I'm not even good in Excel, okay,
Hmm.
but he's already in a manager level. So the growth in bank is much faster,
Hmm.
right? So he
Hmm.
was already a area sales manager, ASM or RSM, something like that. So he wanted to get into data science. So
Okay.
for someone like this, what would be your suggestion?
Hmm. So, first of all, I have also talked to such people. I have interviewed such people when they were trying to crack into the field. First of all, the question is why. So, they should ask themselves, why do you want to get into? If your career is going amazing, if you are a regional head or something like that in the sales, then probably that is your calling. Why do you want to get in? Now, there could be different answers. It could be the money, first of all. It could be learning, the second thing. So if it is just learning, then you can learn it, right? You just learn it at your own pace. If it is money, then you will have to get the skills. So without skills, nobody is really going to hire you in the industry. And if you feel like you do not know certain tools, they are just tools, right? You can learn them. So be it Excel, be it Python, SQL, at some point of time, everybody in the data science community have gone through this phase. They have learned all this. If not Excel, maybe Python is a mandate, right? Python you have to learn, SQL you have to learn. So these kind of things at some point everybody has learned. So you have to have that willingness. If you I understand the motivation is money, so if you want to earn money, you have to learn. So it's a simple equation. Nothing else.
Correct.